Hello everyone, I'm super excited. The kit got here early. I've literally only seen a little bit of a sneak peek and haven't seen the whole kit. So this is kind of extra exciting for me today. So this is Simon Says Stamp May 2019 card kit. The Delicate Flowers card kit. Okay. First off, always candy. Fabulous. Okay, there's washi tape and envelopes and ooh, the new, oh, I think this is the new YUPO glitter paper. Yes, okay. Not you, it's the silver circle. Anyway, okay. I'm like all over the place. I'm excited. Okay, Delicate Flowers card kit. So, this is going to be a popular stamp set. I'm already predicting there's going to be a high demand for the wafer die set for this, and Simon will probably release it down the road because I already want the wafer dies for this because I will be using the set a ton. This is gorgeous. So 6x8 stamp set. This is the Delicate Flowers stamp set. It is beautiful. Love, 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 love. Again, I'm like so predictable. I'm so basic. I love large floral stamps. So yeah, bunch of fabulous sentiments too. I like the mix of fonts always. So yeah, you're beautiful to me. Thanks for always being there. Love everything about you. Thinking of you. Oh, love, love. Okay, so the stamp set, and then you get 12 double-sided papers. This is the ModaScrap Let Your Soul Bloom paper. And ModaScrap does some just beautiful watercolor papers. So they're just, I can't even, they're literally like hand painted looking, you know? They're so, I love that one. I love that. If you struggle with watercolor backgrounds, this brand of pattern paper is definitely the way to go because they do these beautiful watercolor papers that are just gorgeous. Like, I couldn't paint something like this to save my life, but you know, I could cut down, add a sentiment. It's so pretty. So you get 12 sheets. It's another one. I like that. Those are so fun. So fun. Such nice papers. Oh, I think there's another one hiding behind you. Yes, there is. See that one and that one. So pretty. So you get those. And then, oops, I am grabbing the wrong things here. So you get the pattern papers. You get alcohol pearl inks. So, which I'm actually excited, even though I already have all the alcohol pearls, I'm excited because I've already, like, you know, you use them up. So you get 3 bottles of alcohol pearl inks in Intrigue, Sublime, and Tranquil. You also get a bottle of the blending solution. Like, super fun. Hello. This is awesome. 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 If you're not familiar with the alcohol pearl inks, I've done a video on them. Tim Holtz, of course, has done videos on them. Jennifer McGuire has done videos on it. Like, there's lots of videos out there. But unlike the other alcohol inks, the shimmery portion of these does settle. Like, these were obviously laying on their sides. They settle inside, but like when they're sitting, they settle on the bottom. But there's a mixing ball in them. So you just need to shake them up really, really well before you use them, because that gets the shimmer of the alcohol pearls. So you get those. And then washi tape. You get a roll of Carta flower bouquet washi tape. This is so pretty. This is really pretty washi tape. I generally only use washi tape to like tape down my stencils, etc. You guys have seen me, you know, tape down my dies, tape down my stencils, but I would actually, I think, save this. I would use this to seal the envelopes. That's what I really love, when it's really pretty washi tape like this, like just to seal the envelope. Like, I still use the actual seal, but then I add the strip of washi tape just for that extra little something. Oh, this is really pretty. That's really pretty. I like Carta stuff. So you get a roll of that. You get 2 sheets of 4x7 YUPO paper. YUPO paper for the alcohol pearls. YUPO paper isn't actually paper, it's a plastic like substrate. So it is amazing for alcohol inks. highly recommend having some YUPO paper, but this comes in the kit, so that's enough to do. You know, you cut them. These are 4x7, so you could easily like cut these in half and do like 4 card fronts with them. So you get 2 of those. Then you get 2 sheets of the Tim Holtz Silver Sparkle Alcohol Ink cardstock. I haven't had a chance to order in any of this yet, so it's nice to see in person. It's different than what I expected, because I was wondering, I was like, how is a sparkle cardstock going to work with alcohol inks? Because you can use like regular sparkle paper and tint it with alcohol inks, but because of that, you know, chunky texture, it can be weird. This has a really smooth finish, but then it does have that sparkle. So you can also use just regular alcohol inks. It doesn't have to be the pearls. You can use the regular alcohol inks on this, and you'll get that like kind of sparkle shimmer to it. It's interesting. Anyway, let's get the rest of the kit. I'm like just wanting to stop and play. So you get 2 of those, and then you get, of course, some Simon envelopes, which I absolutely love. I love Simon's envelopes. So you get a metallic green leaf. The metallic envelopes are always, love. Metallic green leaf, metallic cotton candy, and then their white envelopes are still like really nice, like self-adhesive. Like, they're not cheap envelopes, they're nice. I like their envelopes. They just, you know, give it that little extra something. So you get those. And then you get a sheet of green leaf cardstock. You get cotton candy cardstock and Simon's 120 pound white, which is literally like heavy duty. I love their 120 pound. I've been using that for my card bases. It's such a nice heavy white cardstock. So that is the May 2019 card kit in a nutshell. This one is going to sell out insanely fast. I'm predicting it with all the things. Like, this is going to be a super popular kit. As always, I will link, like, I'll link to the kit. I'll link to everything individually. I will link to the frequently asked questions thing on Simon's site that kind of explains stuff too, as well as the subscription page, because if you are subscribed to the kit, it's a little bit cheaper. But I'll link, like I always do, to all that so you can check it out. And then, yeah, I'll do the links to everything separately, because you can get like the stamp set on its own, alcohol inks on their own, etc. So that'll be worth checking out. So there it is. This kit's gonna be super fun to play with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out the info in the description box below the video. I'll also have it on my blog. And yeah, I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye.